Good morning, everybody. So we will continue our essay, that is, what is Swaraj? In the previous lecture, we had seen that the question which uh, has been asked by Gandhiji to the reader, that if we got whatever we want, then is it necessary to drive the Britishers out of our country? Is it necessary? So we will see the answer from the reader. I should ask of them only one thing, that is, please leave our country. The reader stated that I should ask them, I would like to ask them only one thing, and that is, please leave our country. आणि तो रीडर उत्तर देतो. रीडर उत्तर देतात की मला एकच प्रश्न त्यांना सांगायचा आहे, एकच प्रश्न त्यांना विचारायचा आहे, विचारायला पाहिजे आहे, तो म्हणजे कृपा करून तुम्ही आमचा देश सोडा. इफ आफ्टर दे हॅव कंपाइल्ड विथ धिस रिक्वेस्ट, if after they have complied with this request, their withdrawal from India means that they are still in India, I should have no objection. Then we would understand that in their language, the word gone is equivalent to remain. So further, the reader stated that if after they have complied with this request, if they agreed with our request, then their withdrawal from India means that they are still in India. And if they agree with our request, then it means that their withdrawal from India means that they are still in India. म्हणजे जर त्यांनी आमची विनंती मान्य केली, तर त्यांनी भारतातून जाणे म्हणजे त्यांनी भारतातच म्हणजे भारतात हजर राहण्यासारखं होईल. I should have no objection, and for that I should have no objection. Definitely. Then we would understand that in their language, the word gone is equivalent to remain. And then only, then only the reader stated here that then only we would understand the meaning in their language of the word gone, that is equivalent to remain. आणि नंतर नंतर मग आम्ही त्यांच्याच भाषेमध्ये गॉन या शब्दाचं मिनिंग जे आहे ते रिमेंटच्या बरोबरीचं होईल. Then editor spoke here, editor speaks here. Well, then let us suppose that the English have retired. What will you do then? Then further, Gandhiji said that, well, then let us suppose, you just suppose that the English have retired. What will you do then? जर ब्रिटिशर्स रिटायर्ड झाले, मग तुम्ही नंतर काय कराल, असा प्रश्न गांधीजी त्यांना विचारतात रीडरला. That question cannot be answered at this stage. The reader said that the particular question which you have asked, that is not answered, that cannot be answered at this stage. The state after withdrawal will depend largely upon the manner of it, because the state, the situation after withdrawal, the condition after withdrawal will depend largely upon the manner of it. If, as you assume, they retire, it seems to me we shall still keep their constitution and shall carry on the government. Further, the reader stated that, and if, as Gandhiji assumed, they retire, then it seems to the reader, it seems to me, we shall still keep their constitution and shall carry on the government. And if the Britishers retire, suppose, according to Gandhiji, then the reader said that it seems to the reader that we shall keep their constitution and shall carry on the government. Means we shall keep their institution as it is and we will carry on the government. If they simply retire, for the asking, we should have an army. And if they simply retire, if they simply retire, then we should have our own army, etc. Ready in our hand, ready at hand. We should therefore have no difficulty in carrying on the government. And if we have our army in our hand, at our hand, then we have no difficulty in carrying on the government. If we have our own army, then we have no difficulty in carrying on the government. जर आपलं स्वतःची आर्मी असेल, स्वतःचं सैन्य असेल, तर मग राज्यकारभार चालवायला आपल्याला काही अडचण जाणार नाही. Then Gandhiji asked, you may think so, I do not. Then Gandhiji told him that you may think so, but but I cannot think like that. But I will not discuss the matter just now. But why I do not think in that way, I will not discuss that particular matter just now or at the present moment. I have to answer the questions. For that, I have to answer one question, and that I can do well by asking you several questions. And for answering one questions, I will have to ask you several questions. Why do we want to drive away the English? And my one question is for you, that why do we Indians want to drive away the Britishers or the English? म्हणजे आपल्या सर्व भारतीयांना असं का वाटते की इंग्रजांनी भारत देशातून जावं? Then reader answered that because India has become impoverished by their government. Because their government has made India impoverished or poor, a poor country. They take away our money from year to year, and they have been taking away our money from year to year. आपला पैसा त्यांनी त्यांच्या देशात नेलेला आहे. आपला देश त्यांनी गरीब बनवून ठेवलेला आहे. The most important posts are reserved for themselves, and not only they have been taking our money from year to year, but they have reserved most important post for themselves. This is another reason that they have made our country poor. We are kept in a state of slavery, and they have reserved the most important seats, the most important post for themselves, and they are kept us in a state of slavery. आणि एवढंच नाही, त्यांनी मोठमोठ्या पोस्ट स्वतःसाठी रिझर्व्ह करून ठेवलेले आहे. आणि एवढंच नाही तर आपल्याला त्यांनी स्वतःचे गुलाम बनवून ठेवलेलं आहे. They behave insolently towards us and disregard our feelings. And not only they have taken away our money, and not only they reserved the important post for themselves, but they have kept us in a state of slavery, and they have insolently towards us, means they behave rude towards us. ते आपल्याशी उद्धटपणाने वागतात, and disregard our feelings, and they also neglect towards our feeling. आपल्या फिलिंग्स कडे सुद्धा ते दुर्लक्ष करतात. If they do not take our money away, become gentle, and give us responsible post, would you still consider their presence to be harmful? Then Gandhiji asked another questions, that if they do not take our money away, जर त्यांनी आपला पैसा ते घेऊन गेले नसते समजा त्यांच्या देशामध्ये, बिकम जेंटल, आपल्याशी ते एकदम नम्रतेने राहिले असते, अँड गिव्ह अस रिस्पॉन्सिबल सीट्स, गिव्ह अस इम्पॉर्टंट पोझिशन्स, गिव्ह अस इम्पॉर्टंट पोस्ट, वुड यू स्टिल कन्सिडर देअर प्रेझेन्स टू बी हार्मफुल? म्हणजे जर त्यांनी आपला पैसा नेला नसता, ते आपल्याशी नम्रपणे वागले असते, आणि जर त्यांनी आपल्याला महत्वाच्या पोस्ट दिल्या असत्या, तरी तुम्हाला असं वाटते का की त्यांचं भारतामध्ये राहणं भारतासाठी धोकादायक आहे? बघा, नंतर रीडर उत्तर देतात. म्हणजे गांधीजींनी जो प्रश्न विचारलेला असतो त्या प्रश्नावर आता रीडर उत्तर देतात, की म्हणजे तो प्रश्न असतो गांधीजींचा, की जर त्यांनी आपला पैसा ते घेऊन गेले नसते, त्यांनी आपल्याला मोठमोठे पद दिले असते, त्याच्यानंतर ते आपल्याशी एकदम नम्रपणे वागले असते, तरी तुम्हाला असं वाटते का की ब्रिटिश हे भारतासाठी धोकादायक, म्हणजे भारतामध्ये थांबणं, ब्रिटिशांचं अस्तित्व असणं धोकादायक असू शकते का, असं तुम्हाला वाटते का? रीडर उत्तर देतात, दॅट क्वेश्चन इज युजलेस. द क्वेश्चन विच यू हॅव बीन आस्क्ड, दॅट क्वेश्चन इज युजलेस. म्हणजे रीडरच्या मध्ये तो प्रश्न निरुपयोगी होता, त्याचा अर्थच नव्हता, निष्फळ होता. इट इज सिमिलर टू द क्वेश्चन वेदर देर इज एनी हार्म इन असोसिएटिंग विथ अ टायगर. म्हणजे असा प्रश्न तुम्ही मला विचारणं म्हणजे आपण वाघासोबत राहणं आणि वाघासोबत राहून वाघ आपल्याला इजा करणार नाही का, असा तो प्रश्न होईल. इफ ही चेंजेस हिज नेचर, म्हणजे जरी वाघानं त्याचा स्वभाव बदलवला तरी तो दुसऱ्यावर अटॅक करणे सोडून देणार नाही. सच अ क्वेश्चन इज शिअर वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. आणि असा प्रश्न विचारणे म्हणजे केवळ वेळेचा दुरुपयोग करणं आहे, असं रीडरला वाटते. When a tiger changes his nature, Englishmen will change theirs. जेव्हा वाघानं स्वतःचा स्वभाव खरोखर बदलेल तेव्हा नक्कीच ब्रिटिशर लोक सुद्धा त्यांचा स्वभाव बदलतील. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. परंतु दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. वाघ आपला स्वभाव का म्हणून बदलेल? दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. हे शक्यच नाही. अँड टू बिलीव्ह इट टू बी पॉसिबल इज कॉन्ट्ररी टू ह्युमन एक्सपिरियन्स. आणि ह्या गोष्टीवर विश्वास ठेवणे, टू बिलीव्ह इट टू बी पॉसिबल इज कॉन्ट्ररी टू ह्युमन एक्सपिरियन्स, मानवी स्वभावाच्या विरुद्ध आहे. तसा जर आपण त्या गोष्टीवर विश्वास ठेवत असू तर. So now I would like to stop here. Thank you very much for listening me patiently. Thank you.